Hello, this is Caitlin Austin, and I chose to do prompt 1 for this video and explore a phylogenetic tree. I chose to use road signs as my object undergoing evolution. The road signs I chose to map are the one-way sign, the do not enter sign, a stop sign, a yield sign, the speed limit sign, an interstate sign, a city sign, a railroad crossing marker, and a flag warning. So how are all these signs related through evolution? Well, the first major difference is between the permanent upper signs and the temporary flag sign. Next, there is the divide between the regulatory signs and the guide signs. Now the signs are divided on more fine details. For example, the one-way and the do not enter signs both prevent drivers from entering a certain area, and the stop and yield signs both require substantial decrease in speed and extra attention devoted to oncoming traffic. Now that we have established the logic behind the signs' evolution, let's explore how the phylogenetic tree helps us organize them. This tree is a rooted tree, meaning that it is organized by time and genetic distance, creating the bracketed branches. At the very end of those branches are our operational taxonomic units. OTUs are very simply the things we are looking at and inspecting for differences. What do the branches of the tree mean? Well, the short split branches indicate cladogenesis. Cladogenesis is when one species splits into two that evolve separately from there on. In comparison, the long straight lines indicate evolution within a single species over time. When the branches of the phylogenetic tree meet or end, they create a node. An internal node indicates a common ancestor of the two species, and the closest internal node to the end of the tree is the most common recent ancestor. The external node indicates the present-day species. If we take a closer look at our external nodes, we can see an obvious outlier or outgroup as the flag warning, which is the furthest related or evolved from the rest of the tree. Now that we have explored how the phylogenetic tree is organized and the terms that are used to better understand it, go try and make your own phylogenetic tree. OTUs can be anything, living or not, that can be logically organized. Thank you for such a great semester, and enjoy your break, everyone. And as always, all information in this video comes from Howlick and Jones Genetics 311 Principles of Genetics Lecture Slides, NC State University, and the images can be found in the description below at these links. Thank you for watching.